Hi, my name is Nihat. I'm 19 years old and I am from Azerbaijan. I study accounting at Azerbaijan State University of Economics. I am hardworking, disciplined, and positive person, and I always try to stay focused and motivated in everything I do. I train regularly, so I have strong physical stamina. I can lift, carry, and stay active during very long shifts. I have worked in different service jobs like a housekeeper, waiter, and kitchen helper, so I'm very comfortable with fast-paced and physically demanding work. As a waiter, I served customer, clean tables quickly. Also, most important one, I knew the menu in details, so I could answer fast and help customer choose what they want. In the kitchen, I help with basic food prep, organizing items, washing dishes, also lifting heavy boxes. This job taught me speed, teamwork, and kept everything neat and clean. In housekeeping, I made beds, refilled items, tidied rooms, and other so many things. Doing all these roles taught me multitasking, staying organized, communicating clearly, also working for long hours without losing energy. I am good at problem solving, teamwork, and customer communication. Also, since I studied accounting, I am confident with numbers, accuracy, and money handling. I want to join the work and travel program because I want to get international work experience, meet new people, improve my English, and also challenge myself in a new environment. Thank you very much for watching to my video. I'm super excited for work with you and bring my energy to your team. See you in the US.